Good morning, third grade. This week we are going to learn about suffixes. That's going to be our focus of our vocabulary strategy of the week. Today, what we're going to do is take a look at some examples where we have sentences with words that have suffixes in them. A suffix is simply an ending we add to a word to change the word slightly. If you look at the directions, you should have the same copy of this, on your digital computer there. So I'm just writing mine out, paper and pencil. It says to read each sentence below, underline the suffix of the word in bold, and write the word's definition on the line. Then write your own sentence using the word in bold. So we actually have three things to do here. So let's do the first one together, and then you can do the rest on your own. It says, Katie first studied whales and the wonderful sounds they make under the water. The first thing that I did was I underlined FUL because that is our suffix in the word wonderful. You're going to notice that in each sentence, the word with the suffix is in bold. Now, wonder means like amazement. If we say something is wonderful, we think it's kind of great. So that's the second item that I'm going to take care of in my directions. I wrote down wonderful means something great. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to write our own sentence. So I wrote, there were wonderful sounds of birds singing in the forest. Perhaps if you went on a camping trip or you're out in the woods and you hear all these birds, the singing is kind of wonderful of the birds making all the noise. So going back to our directions, we have three things that we're going to do. Number one, we're going to underline the suffix. That's the ending of a word, not the beginning. That's prefix. We're looking for an ending, such as FULL or FUL. So in this example, we have full as our suffix. I put down the definition of wonderful, which means, in my opinion, something great. And finally, I put the word in my own sentence. And you're going to do the same thing with the other couple questions we have on this paper. Just follow my model as your example. And once again, if you need help or you're confused, let us know.